Hi, this is Denise Wanaker, and I want to show you a really cool bathroom renovation that we're doing in this funky city apartment. So we're doing 2 bathrooms, but this master is kind of cool because it also opens up into the very big closet here by city standards. So in here, I'm standing in the shower, and what we're going to do is gut everything, new tile, new doors, but space is always an issue in the city. So what we're planning on, what we're talking about, is having a larger vanity go all the way up to a knee wall, which we're going to build, and we're going to be tiling it on both sides and be able to create like a ledge. So even though we have about 6 inches here, we're going to make this all usable space because we want to keep everything out and put away and nice and neat. So we'll have a ledge here, we'll have a beautiful banjo countertop, we'll have shelves, we'll have a nice new big recessed medicine cabinet in here, and just freshening up everything in here is going to really make this very, very nice for the homeowner. So stay tuned, we got a lot to do.